Given all your experience, what advice do you have for women aspiring to leadership roles in agribusiness? And additionally, if you can consider this program like AFRCP, how can it contribute to their future readiness in the evolving landscape of agri input industries? If you can share shed some lights on that.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So, I think all the women who are aspiring to lead, to come to leadership roles in agribusiness, first and foremost, which I follow. I mean, I will talk about what I followed in my career and what I believe in. Educate yourself would be number one. Stay informed. Stay aware of what is happening technological in external in and internal environment, which is going to impact short term, mid term, and long term to your business. Build network. We spoke about it in previous questions. We should establish a very strong professional connections. Develop leadership skill. Effective communication is key. Decision making is very critical for any leader, and strategic thinking, all these are very crucial. Seek mentorship. I have always done that, and I would say, because one cannot be perfect in all the aspects, so we can have, if you want to become a very effective leader, you can have 2 to 3 mentors of various industry, where you, when you are stuck, you can really seek mentorship from them. Promote your achievement. I mean, if you have done great, organization will talk about you, but sometimes you can also promote your own achievements. Embrace change challenges. Actually, it's very critical. I think demonstrating resilience and adaptability is very key in any leadership role. Be visible. Volunteer for strategic projects, for leadership roles, so that in your organization, even leaders know that you are willing to take extra load, you are willing to do work beyond what is your own given work at that time. One important aspect will be balance confidence with humility. Very critical. I think that empathetic leadership is very important. Confidence is crucial, but humility is also equally important. Be humble, be balanced. Very important. Foster inclusivity. We spoke a lot about it. As we progress, we should advocate for it and stay passionate. Passion is very critical. I think I've demonstrated it in almost all the projects which I've taken, and passion fuels commitment and dedication. So I think all of us, all the women who really wants to come to this industry, want to become a leader in this industry, we should remember that leadership is not about the title. It's about the influence and impact. So strive to make a positive difference in this sector through your leadership journey. That's what I would say. And the second question, what you asked, I mean, I can get into more details about this program, but the way you described, I think it would help women aspirants who wants to come in this industry or want to grow in the career, and why women or male candidates as well, if they get holistic view about this industry, about the technology which is going to come, which is going to impact. So all that can help all of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all your valuable insights, and look forward to have you again and again on Existence platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. As I said in between as well, if I can inspire one woman to join this industry and do well in the career, I'll be very happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.